Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's hard roof on this Ranger XP 1000, and today we're going to be doing it with the soft cab on our machine. If you don't have a soft cab, the installation is going to be very similar with just a few little things that you do differently on the soft cab. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get in the bed of the machine or get to where we can reach the rear portion of the cab. We're going to grab our bracket. We're going to grab our M5 by 20 Allen headed screws, our M5 nylock nut, our M8 Allen head screw with an M8 flat washer, and then an M8 nylock nut, and then the M5 flat washer as well. We're going to go ahead and take our M8 bolt here with an M8 nut. We're going to slide the bolt through. So we'll line it up with the hole in the frame here, and then we'll reach through onto the inside and get our nut started. And we'll go over here for this hole and do the same thing. So make sure you have your flat washer on the outside, and then you'll have your nylock nut on the inside. And as you can see, there's going to be a hole that's going to line up right here. Well, with the soft cab, it actually gets in the way a little bit here. So what I'm going to do is come from the inside and find my hole that my screw is going to go through. It'll be this hole right here. So I'm going to just take a Phillips headed screwdriver, just pop it straight through the canvas there. If I'm running a soft cab, if you're not running a soft cab, you don't have to worry about any of that. Then I grab my M5, and we're just going to follow the head of the screwdriver right through the hole. Just go ahead and start your nut on the back side there. Then we'll go over here to the opposite side and do the same exact thing. Then once we have all our hardware started back here, we'll go through and we'll fully tighten it. Now we're going to grab the seal out of the hardware kit, and we're going to apply it all the way across here to the other side. Then right here, we'll just go ahead and tear it off. So it should look just like this. So now we're going to grab our roof and slide it up into position onto the machine. So now we're going to grab an M6 bolt, an M6 sealing washer, an M6 nylock nut, and our spacer. And we're going to go right here to this hole in the roof, and we're going to slide our spacer into place. Now what I like to do is, kind of holding the spacer into place, I like to reach around to the top of the roof, take my screw, stick it through, and get it through the spacer, and then get it lined up with the hole. And we'll come through on the bottom side with our M6 nylock and go ahead and get it started. So now that we have that started, we're going to grab the shorter of the 4 M6 screws, an M6 sealing washer, move our roof around to get it lined up, and then we'll take our M6 nylock nut and get it started. Just like that. The same thing on this side. Just stick our screw through, take our nut, go ahead and get it started, and then we'll do the same thing for the center of the roof. We'll just go right here, we'll stick our screw through, and then we'll come around to the bottom side and start our nut. So we got that one started. And then the last one we're going to put in is the spacer on the passenger side, the same as we did the driver's side. So we're going to take our screw and then our spacer. I'm going to hold my spacer underneath the hole on the inside, get my spacer lined up, and just push my bolt through. And once it's lined up with the hole, we're just going to take our nut, get it started. And now that all of our hardware is good and started, we're going to go through and fully tighten all the hardware. And there you have it. Now that you have your hardware all tightened, that's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's hard roof on a Polaris Ranger XP 1000. For more information on this roof or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.